Happy Wednesday. I already had somebody ask me, how come you didn't finish the last question of your book? Well, the reason why I didn't finish is because I wanted you to come to today's video to find out the last question we had about volcanoes. So let's come take a look at the book La Naturaleza again to find out a little bit more about volcanoes. So our last question is asking us, ¿Los volcanes son peligrosos para la gente? Are volcanoes dangerous for people? Let's see. Los volcanes pueden ser peligrosos, pero los científicos que se dedican a estudiarlos saben cuando un volcán va a erupción. Generalmente las personas tienen tiempo para irse del lugar donde está el volcán y no hay peligro. So, the question was asking us, are volcanoes dangerous? Well, we might think that they are. However, volcanoes could be very dangerous, but scientists are very dedicated all the time to study volcanoes and when they erupt. So when a volcano is going to erupt, most of the time scientists can tell us when it's going to happen, and that gives people enough time to leave the area in order for volcanoes to not cause any harm to the community, to the people. It might cause damage to the land, but to the people, it might keep them safe once they know and they can leave their homes. Now, these were the only 3 questions we had about volcanoes. They were, what is a volcano? What is lava? And are they dangerous? Next time, we're going to talk about snow. So stay tuned to know when we talk about the next topic for science. Now I'm going to move on to math. Now, if you got a calendar, you can go ahead and take a look at it, and it's going to show you different fluency activities you can do at home. Now, I wanted to take a look at the activity that I had provided for you for 10 more, 10 less, 100 more, and 100 less. It looks something like this. And you can make these at home. You can have someone in your family provide you with a number, and then you can go ahead and fold it. And at the bottom, they can put 10 more, 10 less, 100 more, 100 less. Now, let's think about it. If I had 370, what would be 10 more than that? What do you think? Well, that's right, 380. Because if we add 10 more to the 70 in 370, it would give us 380. Now, you can also do it with smaller numbers, like the one I have here. I have the number 5. Now, you could just do multiples of 10, like 10, 20, 30, 40. Or you could also do multiples of 100, like 100, 200, 300, 400, and until you get to 1,000. Now, that's one fluency activity that we have in our calendar. Another fluency activity we have in our calendar that one of the lions asked us about was the Tic-Tac-Toe Activity. And you can see it on this side of the screen. Now, in this Tic-Tac-Toe Activity, you create your own tic-tac-toe. And in each little square, you put an addition or subtraction problem from 0 to 1,000. Now, you can do it as you can do it from 1 to 20, or you can do it from 0 to 1,000. Now, in the tic-tac-toe that I have different ones, and they're addition and subtraction. Now, you need someone to be playing with you to do this one. One player will be X's, and one player will be O's. The player that is X's will be the one asked first the math question. Now, for example, if you ask me what 10 plus 23 is, I'm going to say, let's see, we'll have 23, and I have 10 more, so that's one more 10, and that's going to give me 33. Now, if you get that one right, then you will place your X right on that spot. And then it's the next person's turn. You will ask that person now, what is 100 take away 50? And they will think about it. And they will say, 100 take away 50 is 50. And if they're right, then they get an O. Now, the winner is the person that can do tic-tac-toe first. Now, our last fluency activity we have on our calendar is the fluency activity that we do in the classroom. You are going to give yourself 1 minute to complete as many addition or subtraction problems on that fluency sheet provided in the calendar. Now, you're going to set your timer. You're going to say, pencils up, get ready, get set, and go. And you're going to give yourself 1 whole minute to do as many as you can. And once you hear the timer go off, you're going to put your pencil down and then check your answers. And hopefully each time that you do it, you get at least 1 more. So that's all I have in store for you today for fluency and science. I hope to see you back next time. See you later, children and lions.